Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up private DNS on Android. So you can use this private DNS to block trackers or block ads on the web by trying to setting the internet connection. You can go to the settings of your phone and try to search connection and sharing, or depend on your devices it become more connection setting or anymore, but it's all about connection and sharing, and also advanced setting of your phone connection. And then try to scroll down, try to search private DNS. There are three options here: off, auto, or designated private DNS. So please make sure to choose designated private DNS. So you can type the DNS dot a edgard dot com and done. So it's finished. Try to open web that maybe have a lot of ads. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below.